Let's run our PHP programs within a DOS window. Now I simplified the prompt so it just shows the greater than sign, so you don't have to look at the very long path to my server and subdirectory where my files are. Just by keying in prompt, oops, let me move that arrow, prompt, and then $G. And I get that. So let me clear up the screen and do a dir, and you can see that I have these three files here: for1.php, while01.php, and while02.php. Let's run these programs and see what we have to do in order to make it look fairly presentable in a command window like this. So I'm going to run the program called for1. I'll hand that to a batch file, which will type out the contents of for1.php and then execute the program by keying in php for1.php. Here we go. And you can see there's the contents of the program. Here's an array. First there's the PHP tag, and $x equals Sam, Pete, Kate, and Bill within square brackets. So that's an array. And for I equals 0, $I is less than the count of x, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, while $I, which is 0, is less than 4. Do the following commands: line tag, $x, ith element, and then end line tag. Then it gives this very yucky break here, so you can see here's where the typing out of the program ends, and here's where the program execution begins, and then it echoes out this stuff, line, the elements, and then end line tag. But it looks terrible and very hard to see. So that's not the way to go. Let's do the next one, which is there it's not. I'll key that in, p while 0, 1. And here we have the same thing pretty much, except we're using a while loop. While $I is less than count of $x, which is 4, and then we echo out again the line tag, the array and its element, and end line tag, and increment the I variable. But again, that doesn't look nice. It's all spread out like that. Kate, Bill. Let's change that now. This time we're going to do while 2. And this looks a lot better. What did I do that was different? Well, here's my $x equals Sam, Pete, Kate, Bill. That's the same. $I equals 0. I initialize a variable, then I do a while loop. $I, while $I is less than 4, the count of x, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time I'm doing a printf statement. What do I do in the printf statement? First I do a slash, within double quotes, I do a /t that tabs me over, and then $x, $I, that's the 0th element, prints out Sam, then \n, that's a carriage return line feed, and then tabs over again, increments I, tabs over again, then the 1th element, that's Pete, 0, 1, that's Pete, then it does a carriage return line feed, and increments I, and tabs over again, prints out x, the 2th element, enter, and carriage return line feed, tabs over, and $x, $I, the 3th element, and carriage return line feed, and then increments I, tests it, and it evaluates to false, and the program ends. So this looks a lot nicer if you use in a command window if you use a printf statement. And that's all I have to say for now. Thank you so much for listening. This is George Boole. Bye-bye now.